So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how well this 3D printed tool helps to install the tail rod guide onto the Tron 7 helicopter boom. As we all know, installation of this tail rod guide with the supplied tool in the kit, it can be a frustrating experience, but this 3D printed tool will make it a lot easier. This 3D printed tool, by the way, was designed by my A-main teammate, Kenny Hutton, and is just a great guy and great designer. He's designed a bunch of other 3D printed tools. Just really cool guy. So what I will do is use this hole in the tool, and I will insert the tail rod guide, which is 4 millimeters in the outer diameter, and it fits kind of snugly. Okay, I'll put the tool supply in the kit on top. I will insert the nuts that are included in the kit, and remember to insert them upside down with the nylon towards the bottom. I will insert the tool onto the boom, and I will try to align the holes as best as possible here. So I'm inserting the tool, and hopefully you'll see. Okay, so it's starting to make its way there. So I think the holes are pretty well aligned at this point. I will now use the tail rod guide. Let's insert the first screw. See, everything lines up pretty nicely. It caught onto the nut really well. I'll have the other screw ready to go. Get it straight. There we go. Now, okay, so we are good. Just gonna tighten them. And remember, this is no Loctite on these. It's just a pressure fit with the nylon. Very nice, easy. And now, just gonna pull back on the tool. I guess that the tool has this little guide. I'm sorry, this little type of design that makes it so the regular tool comes out. And let's see, I guess the tool is stuck. We'll unstick it here. All right, and now the tool came out. Okay, and that's it.